Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a quick and beginner-friendly protective style featuring the UNice Blend Secure Half Wig in this gorgeous water wave texture. This video is sponsored, so right away you get this beautiful water wave half wig, and it is so soft and bouncy straight out the box, and it includes an adjustable drawstring for that extra security, a breathable wig cap with built-in combs, which gives the wig a snug and secure fit, and also an invisible hairline. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the install. I'm going to section off the front of my hair first for the leave out, just enough to make it blend, and then putting my hair into 4 big plaits. The good thing about this wig is that you don't have to do a full braid down, which is always a plus. This install took me less than 10 minutes to do. It's perfect for beginners or just those days when you don't feel like doing too much. Now that my hair is prepped, I'm going to place on the stocking cap just to hold my braids in place. This part is completely optional. So I'm starting by securing the back and front combs to anchor the wig. I have no idea why I started from the back first, but it's all good. So around the front of my hair, I'm just sliding the combs into place. And once I do that, this wig is not going anywhere. It's 100% secure, and it literally just takes a second. And what I love about this is that it already feels snug even before I tighten the drawstring in the back. I want to show y'all what the hairline looks like. Like I said it earlier, it's completely invisible, and that's what I love about this unit. It's literally just comb, drawstring, and go, and you still get this really natural, seamless finish. Now I'm just making sure the back is secure and everything is in place. I'm also adjusting the drawstring, pulling it snug, not too tight, but just enough to make sure it's not going anywhere throughout the day. So once it's tightened, you can just tuck the drawstring underneath the cap or tie it down low, whatever is comfortable for you. Now that the wig is installed and secure, I'm going to bring these curls to life. I'm starting off by mixing it with some water. This helps reactivate the curls and get the hair ready for the product. Next, I'm going in with the Dew Mousse. This is one of my favorite lightweight mousses. It doesn't leave the hair crunchy, and it adds shine and hold. I'm applying this from ends to roots just to really saturate the curls and get some definition going. Now for my favorite part, I'm using this curl defining brush to shape the curls. It instantly smooths and defines each curl. It really helps clump the curls together and reduce frizz, and also brings out the natural texture of the water wave pattern. And I just want to show you another close-up. The mousse really helped enhance the pattern without making the hair crunchy or stiff. Now I'm just going to repeat those same steps on the other side. Now let's go ahead and get into the leave out. So to finish the look and really make this wig blend seamlessly, I'm going to curl my leave out. I'm just taking a small flat iron and doing some soft curls to match the water wave texture of the wig. Nothing too perfect, just enough to give it a little body and flow. I'm just taking small sections and curling them away from my face so everything flows naturally with the water wave texture of the wig. Now that the curls are defined and the mousse is set, I'm going in with my blow dryer just to help speed up the drying process, but I am making sure to use low to medium heat so I don't disturb the curl pattern too much. Now for the edges, I'm using the Colors and Care Edge Gel to lay everything down. This stuff is super sleek and has a great hold without flaking. I like to keep my edges soft and natural looking, not too sculpted, just clean and polished. This gel definitely gives you that hold without that super hard feeling. So here's the final look. I've styled my edges and look how seamless this hairline blends in. It's definitely giving natural and effortless. Now let's get into a couple of quick headband styles you can rock with this wig. For the first look, I'm keeping it classic with the curls hanging down. This is perfect for everyday wear. Super soft, lightweight, and the water wave texture gives it that effortless lived-in vibe. For style number 2, I'm pulling it up into a ponytail. This is such a cute, sporty look that also shows off the volume and texture of the wig. And that is the end of this video. Big thank you to UNice for sponsoring this video and sending over this beautiful half wig. You can find the direct link to this exact unit down in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more protective styles and natural hair care. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.